Hello everyone, welcome to MBA Karo. In this video series of easy CAT DILR sets, I am going to discuss a set from CAT 2021 which was based on bar graph. I appeared in this slot and was able to do this set in 4 minutes. And I believe even an average student could have done this in 6 to 8 minutes easily. So let's have a look at this set and see that how it could have been solved. So this says that you are given some bar graphs and these bars provide information about different orders in various categories, arts, binders, paper, etc. So these are the different categories. These are the orders shipped in that. Okay. And the color and pattern of the bar denotes the ship mode. So there are three kinds of mode. This red line shows first class, the black one shows second class, and the green one shows standard class. So three class of shipment. The left end point of a bar indicates the booking day of the order, while the right end point indicates the dispatch day of the order. The difference between the dispatch day and the booking day measured is in the term of number of days is called the processing time of the order. For the same category, an order is considered for booking only after the previous order of the same category is dispatched. No two consecutive orders of the same category had identical ship mode during this period. So it is given that, let's say you are given an order. Okay, so this is the order. So if it was like there are 2 points, so left hand points shows the booking day and the right hand shows the dispatch day. So it was booked on 1st of September and shipped on 3rd of September. Okay, booking on 1st and shipped on 3rd. So the processing time is 2 days. Now the second order was booked on 3rd, shipped on 4th. Okay, so this is the booking day and the shipping day. So processing time of 1 day. Let us say if you have to find this. So this is, if you look at the graph below, it is 4 September. So it was booked on 4th and shipped on 12th. So the processing time is 8 days, right? So that is how you have to read the graph. So they will, like, even if you do not know, they explain in the example also. So it says there were only two orders in the furnishing category. So they have given in furnishing category there are two orders. First one was shipped in the second class. So they've mentioned that how to read the graph also. That this is second class, shipped on first, right? And they booked on first and shipped on fifth. Okay, and then the second one was on 5th and till 12th, right? So processing time is 4 and 7 days. So even if you do not understand the text, they explain you through the examples also. Okay, now let us look at the questions and see that how you could have solved those questions. So first question says how many days between September 1 and September 14, both inclusive. So we have to include both days, had no booking order from this client considering all the above categories. Now you do not need to have any calculation speed for this. It is just pure observation based question. You have to count the number of days. Okay. So let us count from one. So one, we can see that already many things have been shipped. Two things have been shipped. Three things have been shipped. Four, this is shipped on 4th, right? Fifth, here there is a shipment. Okay. Sixth there is a shipment. Seventh, also there is a shipment. Okay. Now let us see 8. There is no shipment on 8. Okay, so you'll count 8. 9, there is no shipment. So you just have to see in that line. 10, there is no shipment. Right? 11 also there is no shipment. 12, there is no shipment. 13, there is a shipment, right? We can see that on 13 this product is being shipped. Okay, so 13 there is a shipment, and we have to count till 14 because it says both inclusive, right? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So the answer is 6. How long does it take to count? Hardly 1 minute just to count this. What was the average processing type of all the orders in the categories which had only one type of shipment? Again, a very simple question. Okay. Now, if you look at this, although it's a big graph, let us find out the products that had only one kind of shipment. Okay. So we can straight away see that there are just two products. right? Although it's a big graph, we see that there are just two products. We have to find the average of processing time of this. How simple? Okay, so if you see that this is 1 to 19, so 18 days. Okay, and this is 3 to 7, 4 days. 18 or 4 ka average, that is 11. Now tell me that will it take even 1 minute to answer this question? No, it won't. The sequence of categories art, binder, paper, and phones in decreasing order of average processing time of their orders in this period is. Okay. Now these are four categories, the top four categories. Now, many people would have, almost all people would have calculated the average, right? I'll tell you a very interesting way to do this question without calculating the average. This is how I did in the examination. I told you that I did the set in 4 minutes, right? That's how I solve problems, and I expect others to solve problems so that they can solve them in the minimum possible time and gain maximum score. So we know that A and B, there are four shipments, right? A and B, four shipments, and this paper and phones, there are three shipments each. Okay. Now, if total of A is more and of binders is less, see there are having four shipments. A का total B से ज्यादा है, so A का average B से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. ठीक है. It is asking decreasing order, so A पहले आना चाहिए, B बाद में आना चाहिए. ठीक है. A पहले आ रहा है, B बाद में आ रहा है. इसमें B पहले आ रहा है, eliminate. इसमें B पहले आ रहा है, eliminate. Two options eliminated. ठीक है. Now second thing. Similarly, phone and paper. ठीक है. Phone has higher shipment, मतलब इसके like process total is more, the total is less, right? So phone का average should be greater than paper का average, isn't it? तो phone पहले आना चाहिए, paper बाद में आना चाहिए. ठीक है. इसमें phone बाद में आ रहा है. I did not calculate any of the averages. My answer is correct. Okay, so that's some sort of intelligence that you need. So for doing well in data interpretation, you should have good conceptual clarity on averages, percentages, ratios, etc. See, I did not calculate the average in any of the questions. I mean, for any of the products. Still, my answer is right. People would have taken maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes just to calculate the averages and then happily mark the answer. Okay, we got option D. I took 30 seconds just to think and mark this answer. Let's see the next question. Approximately what percentage of orders had a processing time of 1 day during the period September 1 to September 22, both dates inclusive? So we have to find that how many orders had a processing time of 1 day. Okay. Now, one thing you should again remember is remember the data which you have already counted something, right? So basically, we will have to find total number of shipments and the shipments that have 1 day processing time. Okay. Now, total number of shipments, you have to add all these numbers. From the previous question, we already remember this is 4433. So you do not have to count these. So we already know 14. Okay. Then it is 2 more 16, 319, 322, 24, 26, 28, 30, 1, 2, and 2. So 34. So denominator will be 34. Okay. Now we have to find 1 day. So 1 day it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7. 7 out of 20, 34, that is roughly 20%. Right? 7 out of 34 is almost 1/5, right? 7 out of 35 will be exactly 20%. But among the options, the closest value is 20%. So again, a very simple question. Now, even if you are average in data interpretation, you could have easily solved these four questions and secured 12 marks and have had enough time left to try at least one other set and could have got a decent percentile in this section. So if you want to solve some more sets for CAT DILR with some excellent problem solving approach, you can subscribe to my channel Aptitude Jab and solve sets from here. You can also join my Telegram channel MBA Karo for updates on MBA prep. I hope you enjoyed the problem solving approach of this set. So please do like this video and subscribe to the channel and do share it with your friends. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.